Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
And I'm Rachel. Hi, everyone. We are so happy to have you here with us today.
Yes, we are. Today, we have a very important topic. Many of our listeners ask about this.
It is a big topic, but before we start, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow. And if you are new here, please subscribe.
Join our community. We have fun new conversations every week to help you.
Exactly. So, Rachel, what is the big topic for today?
Today, we are talking about the IELTS test.
IELTS, the International English Language Testing System.
Wow, that is a long name.
It is. But it is a very important test. Many people need it for work or to study at a university in another country.
Yes, and it can feel very scary.
It can be scary. It is a long test, but don't worry. Today, we will share some great tips to help you get a high score.
Yes, we want you to feel confident, not scared.
Exactly. Confidence is key. So, Rachel, let's talk about the test. It has 4 parts, right?
Yes, listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
4 parts. It sounds like a lot of work.
It is work, but if you prepare well, it is easy.
That is the secret. Preparation. Let's start with listening. What is a good tip for the listening part?
My favorite tip for listening is do not just listen to practice tests.
Oh, that is interesting. Why not?
Practice tests are good, but they can be boring.
That is true. They are not very exciting.
You need to listen to English every day. Real English.
Like this podcast?
Yes, exactly. Listen to podcasts, watch movies, listen to the news.
I agree. The IELTS test uses different accents, too.
Yes, British English, Australian English, American English.
So you need to train your ears. If you only listen to one accent, the test might be difficult.
Very good point. So listen to many different things. Variety is important.
And another listening tip is read the questions before you listen.
Ooh, that is a pro tip.
Yes. In the test, you have a little time before the audio starts. Use that time.
I see. So you know what to listen for.
Exactly. If the question asks for a name, you listen for a name. If it asks for a number, you listen for a number.
That is very smart. It helps you focus.
Yes, focus is everything. Now, what about reading?
Oh, reading. This part is hard for many people because of the time.
Yes, the texts are long, and the time is short.
So my big tip is don't read every word.
Wait, don't read every word?
I know, it sounds crazy, but you don't have time to read slowly.
I understand. You need to read fast.
Yes, we call it skimming and scanning.
Good words. Can you explain them simply?
Sure, skimming is reading very fast to understand the main idea, just the big picture.
Okay. And Scanning?
Scanning is looking for specific information, like a keyword.
Ah, like looking for a telephone number in a list.
Exactly. You don't read the whole list, you just look for the number. Do this in the test. Find the keywords in the questions, then scan the text for them.
That is a fantastic strategy. It saves a lot of time.
Yes, don't try to understand 100% of the text. You only need to find the answers.
Very important advice. Don't get stuck on difficult words.
Right. If you see a word you don't know, don't panic. Just keep going.
Keep going. That is a good motto for the whole test.
Yes. Now, let's talk about writing.
Writing can be difficult. You have to write 2 tasks, right?
Yes. Task 1 is usually describing a graph or a chart. Task 2 is an essay, giving your opinion.
What is the biggest mistake students make in writing?
They start writing immediately.
Oh, they don't plan?
No, they just write, and then their ideas are messy.
I see. So the tip is plan before you write.
Yes, take 5 minutes. Think about your ideas. Organize them.
A good plan makes your writing clear.
Exactly. The examiner needs to understand your ideas easily.
And use clear paragraphs?
Yes. Introduction, main body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Simple structure is best.
I agree. Simple and clear is better than complex and messy.
And another writing tip, know the grading criteria.
What do you mean?
Know what the examiners want. They want good vocabulary, good grammar, and clear ideas.
Right. Don't just use good and bad all the time.
Yes. Use better words. Instead of good, maybe use excellent or beneficial.
Nice. Synonyms are your friends.
They are, but only use words you know 100%. Don't use big words if you are not sure.
That is very important. It is better to be simple and correct than complex and wrong.
Absolutely. Okay, the last part, speaking.
My favorite part.
Of course it is. You love to talk.
I do. But for many students, speaking is the most scary part.
Yes, they are afraid of making mistakes in front of the examiner.
I understand that fear. But remember, the examiner is not your enemy.
That's true. They want you to do well.
The most important tip for speaking is fluency.
Fluency.
Yes, fluency means keep talking. Don't stop too much.
Okay. So it is better to make a small grammar mistake than to be quiet for 10 seconds?
Exactly. If you make a mistake, it is okay. Just keep going.
I like that. Don't worry about being perfect.
No one is perfect. Even native speakers make small mistakes when they speak fast.
That is very true. We say and sometimes too.
Yes, we do. But try not to say too much.
Another speaking tip, extend your answers.
Oh, good one. Don't just say yes or no.
Right. If the examiner asks, do you like sports? Don't just say yes.
Say, yes, I love sports. I play soccer every weekend with my friends because it is fun and healthy.
Perfect. See? That is a much better answer. It shows your English ability.
Always add a because. Give reasons. Give examples.
It makes the conversation more natural, too.
Yes, treat it like a normal conversation with a new friend.
That is a nice way to think about it. It makes it less scary.
So we have covered all 4 parts. Do you have any general tips for the whole test?
Yes. Practice under pressure.
Ooh, pressure. What do you mean?
When you practice at home, use a timer.
Ah, yes, because in the real test, you have a strict time limit.
Exactly. It is easy to write an essay in 2 hours. But can you do it in 40 minutes?
That is the real challenge. You need to train your brain to work fast.
Yes. It is like training for a race. You need to run at the real speed.
Very good analogy. And my general tip is relax.
Relax? But it's a big test.
I know, but if you are too stressed, your brain doesn't work well.
That is true. When I am stressed, I forget simple words.
Me too. So, before the test, take deep breaths. Sleep well the night before.
Yes. Trust your preparation. You studied hard. You can do it.
Believe in yourself. Confidence really helps your score.
These are such great tips, Charles. I feel more ready for IELTS now.
You would get a perfect score, Rachel.
Let's do a quick recap of the main tips for our listeners.
Good idea. For listening,
Listen to many accents and read the questions before the audio starts.
for reading,
Don't read every word. Skim for the main idea and scan for keywords.
for writing,
Plan before you write. Use clear paragraphs.
and for speaking.
Be fluent. Don't be afraid of mistakes, and always extend your answers with because and examples.
Fantastic summary.
Thank you.
Preparing for IELTS is a journey. It takes time.
Yes, don't try to learn everything in 1 week.
Study a little bit every day, step by step.
Consistency is the secret to success.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Yes, we do. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope these tips help you get the score you need.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, are you studying for IELTS? When is your test?
We would love to know. Maybe we can give you some encouragement in the comments.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe for more English tips every week.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, keep learning, and good luck.
Bye everyone, you've got this.